Since 1962, I've been involved with Ferraris. I've been involved as an aficionado, an owner, a racer, and a broker. And that passion has been evident in my lifelong collection of 98 Ferrari cars owned by me and the many Prancing Horse Farm Ferrari gatherings I have hosted. Drawing hundreds of Maranello's machines, my events became the preferred end-of-the-season gathering for East Coast Ferrari owners, and it was named one of the top places to be invited to bring your Ferrari by Automobile Magazine. In September of 2012, I will host my final and most ambitious Ferrari gathering yet on the grounds of the Booley Rock Golf Course in Havre de Grace, Maryland. I'll be calling out to Ferrari friends worldwide. I want to get as many as possible of the 98 Ferraris prancing horses that I owned, along with a staggering lineup of other Ferraris, from the rare and the one-off to the merely collectible. I'd like them to join me in celebrating my 75th birthday and my 50 years with Ferrari. This exclusive gathering presents a unique opportunity for sponsors to engage with the world's premier car enthusiasts and collectors in an intimate setting and with category-exclusive marketing rights. If you're interested, contact me, Ron Spangler, directly at 410 area code 942-1000 or by email at phfarmferrari@aol.com.